So hi guys, so welcome to Noddy Plus. So today we'll not be teaching C Sharp. What we need to do, we'll be giving you some C Sharp tips and also be telling you stories about mistakes and confusions and also discovery that beginners can relate when they see some certain code. So when I was learning C Sharp, one thing got me confused, and that is it, this line of code. I normally see val age is equals to 25. So I do ask myself, this val that is there, is it that the val is dynamic or the val can take any other data type? Because sometimes I do come here after writing val age 25, I can come here and say age is equals to what? Stanley. Let me see, because I do get confused in terms of when I see this code and val. I'll now be asking myself, is val dynamic? Can val take all data type? Because if val is dynamic, that means I can call this age in 25 and in 56 as I can also call this age as a string. But you can see here now it's giving me an error sign. Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So because of this word, because I already declared val age is equals to 5. So I keep on asking myself, where is the data type? Because normally I'm supposed to see int age equals to 25, but I'm not seeing it, but I'm using val. I keep on asking myself. So I noticed something. What did I notice? If you declare something like this, val age equals 25, you can see the C# compiler already automatically detect the data type by checking the value at your right hand side. You can see the value at the right hand side is 25, and if I hover on this age, you see that it already detects the data type for me, which is int age. So now I wonder, so val is not dynamic. Val doesn't val is not dynamic. What val does is that when you declare val age to 25, the system or the C# compiler already detects data type for you by checking the values at your right hand side. So now so in this line of code, line 55, val age equals 25, so C# will now treat it as int age is equals to 25. So if I come here and say val name is equals to nonny, so you can see if I hover this name, you can see that the C# compiler already detects and automatically tell me the data type because of this value that I assigned by the right hand side, which is nonny and a string. So automatically to show me a string. So C# knows it's a string, so val does not remove data type. It only allows the compiler to figure it out for you. So don't get confused whenever you see this kind of codes. Just know that the C# compiler is already detecting your data type for you. Don't get confused, don't get carried away.